Did you know that 20% of men in their 20s experience erectile dysfunction and it only increases with age? This juice could be the game changer you need. Packed with nitric oxide, antioxidants, and flavonoids, it's designed to boost blood flow, enhance circulation, and improve overall health. Whether you're looking to support your physical performance or just want to feel your best, this powerhouse drink might be the key. Let's dive into the ingredients that make this juice a must-try for anyone serious about their health. Natural Viagra Blood Flow Juice, the ultimate juice for boosting blood flow and enhancing vitality. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super important, blood flow. Did you know that poor circulation can affect everything from your mental clarity to your physical performance, and yes, even your sexual health? In fact, nearly 20% of men in their 20s struggle with erectile dysfunction, and the percentage increases with each decade. But don't worry, we've got an incredible juice recipe that's packed with ingredients to help improve circulation and overall vitality. This juice isn't just for men, it's for anyone who wants to boost their blood flow, enhance their energy, and feel amazing. So let's get started. We're going to start with the star of our juice, watermelon. This juicy fruit is rich in an amino acid called citrulline, which your body converts into arginine. Arginine helps dilate blood vessels, improving circulation. We'll slice up about a quarter of a large watermelon and pop it into the juicer. Next up, we've got our leafy greens, spinach, kale, whatever you prefer. These greens are loaded with vitamins, minerals, potassium, and magnesium, all of which help manage blood pressure and support heart health. Now, let's add some citrus fruits, lemon, grapefruit, and orange. Citrus is high in vitamin C, which helps reduce arterial stiffness and supports healthy blood flow. We'll peel these and add them to the mix. Don't worry if there's a little white pith left, it's full of fiber and nutrients. Time to spice things up with some ginger root and turmeric root. Ginger is fantastic for circulation, while turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory thanks to its active compound curcumin. This duo is also great for your immune system and the endothelial cells lining your blood vessels. Next, we're adding celery. Celery is high in nitrates and phytonutrients that help relax your blood vessels, promoting better blood flow. Plus, it adds a nice, crisp flavor to the juice. And now for one of my favorites, beetroot. This vibrant root is rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that's crucial for dilating blood vessels and improving stamina. You'll love the deep, earthy flavor it adds. Finally, let's top it off with a little bit of 100% dark cacao. Cacao is packed with flavonoids that help produce more nitric oxide in your body, further enhancing blood flow. Plus, it adds a delicious, rich flavor that pairs perfectly with the rest of the ingredients. And there you have it, the ultimate blood flow boosting juice. Not only is this drink fantastic for sexual health, but it's also incredible for your heart, brain, and overall wellness. Remember, blood flow is vital for every aspect of your health. Cheers to better circulation, more energy, and a healthier you. And remember, while this juice is a great addition to your routine, it's important to maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, manage stress, and get enough sleep for the best results. If you're dealing with erectile dysfunction or any other health issues, always consult with a healthcare professional. That's delicious. Earthy, sweet, and perfectly balanced. Give this juice a try, and let us know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health-boosting recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.